So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's see what we'll be expecting for the next day on our AUD USD. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. Follow and also follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So this movement we were expecting to actually sell on the previous analysis, right? And it eventually did that. Market eventually sold when we were predicting that market should sell, and it eventually did that. So let's see what we'll be expecting next on AUD USD. First, let's start with the trend. We all know before we take a trend, we would want to know the trend. As market tends to give us three movements, basically an uptrend, a downtrend, or a sideways movement, which is a range market move, right? Now, if you have to roll down, go to your forward time frame and you zoom it out, you clearly can see that market is literally ranging within this level, as this top will be taken to be the resistance and this bottom will be taken to be the support level. So once markets rallies up to tap this resistance, we tend to see it drop to tap our support, and then eventually it will come to tap our resistance, and then it will come to tap our support. Eventually came back to tap our resistance and then the support level. Market eventually rolled up to tap our resistance. This was one of the reasons why I told you guys that we will be selling on AUDUSD. The market eventually did that. It sold. Now that it has come back to test it, so we should expect a little bit of a push up and guess what, another sell. So basically, we will be expecting another sell on AUDUSD. So market is still ranging to the upside. Our buyers will only change if possibly markets push up, breaks above this aggressively. If it breaks above it aggressively, then we might want to change our bias. If not, we will be expecting a sell. So above all, our forecast will still be a sell. But before that, expect a little bit of a bullish move to take out liquidity before it sells. So stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find a link in the comment section.